Call the supervisor.
Hey, today I'm really tired. Lot of work. Hey!
Hey, you!
Hey.
Hey, shoot!
Hey!
Shoot!
Hey!
Shoot! Hey! Straight out from the neighborhood only.
You told that you got bitten from the dog. You went to hospital, no? What did they say? Just concentrating only on your eating, not caring anything else. Already you got rashes on your body. Is this the body to get the bitten from the dog? If anyone knows this, everyone will spit on your face. Okay, I told you to change the name in the ration card. Did you do that? Never will listen to your word. See how shamelessly eating now. If you go to job means, is that enough for everything? Faithless dog. See, Malli? Take care of your husband properly, okay? Hey, I'm talking to you only. See how he is eating like a dog.
Okay, I'll call you later. Go see who's that.
Hey! Stop that! Hey! Stop! Hey! Stop! Hey!
Don't be hasty, dude. Big bro has come, right?
I and my life ready to sacrifice to serve all mankind. I will always work with honesty and dedication to serve the society.
The pledge by us from the police department. We will maintain the secrecy of our country. We will never ever collect bribes. In all the states of our country. We will
Oh, really sad. They have come with so many dreams.
Ask them to stand in the hot sun like us. They'll quit this bloody job in a week's time.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, the third officer who's standing in that row, he is my son, sir. Sir, please take care of him, sir.
We'll see.
Thank you, sir. It's a promise.
What happened? Go fast. The patients will be waiting.
Checking is going on, sister. I don't know what to do now.
They are not going to stop the two-wheelers in which girls are sitting. You better go and get your insurance done tomorrow.
Yeah, just stop here.
License. Where is your RC book? What about insurance?
Oh no.
Oh, he's saying that.
Stop insulting me like this.
Hey, what is this? Insurance has been expired 6 months back.
Sir, she's a doctor, sir.
Hey.
She's going urgently to the hospital.
If she's a doctor, without insurance you'll drive.
Just pay the fine now. Let's go.
Could you please keep quiet? Sir, please forgive us for this time alone, sir.
Aha, you write the charge sheet.
Yeah, tell me your name. 2,000 rupees fine. Paying it here or the court?
Sir, I have only 200 rupees with me, sir. Just close it. Can't you see I'm talking with him?
They are very poor people, no? Doctor has to go very urgently.
Yes, sir.
What shall we do?
The doctor seems to be innocent. Send them away, sir.
Yeah, if you say so.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah, you may go. You may go.
Go fast.
Go. It was he actually who did not renew the insurance. But she seems to be angry at us.
Good people are always like that. Hey, stop there.
Karthik sir is a rank holder in the police academy. Then why was he put in the traffic, sir? Is that any punishment order?
It was he who asked for this posting.
Traffic SI and real SI. Do they have any difference in salary?
No.
Which one has less risk?
Traffic SI.
Brother, 1 tea.
Karthik sir actually lost both his parents when he was 13 years old. Since then, it was his sister who he dearly loved. He is not interested in anyone else.
Good morning. It would be so nice if there was someone to do all this work, no, Karthik?
I will ask a maid to come and do all this work. How long will I keep doing this?
Bye.
Bye.
Sir.
Just wait for some more time. Don't do anything stupidly. We'll let her go once the minister leaves.
Minister Vaishak! Minister
They can go in 2 minutes.
Our beloved Minister Vaishak! Our beloved Minister Vaishak! Honorable Minister! Our Honorable Minister! Our Minister! Our beloved 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 Minister! Honorable Minister! Our Honorable Minister! Our Minister!
Hey, you! Hey, what are you guys doing?
Hey, control. Just control. I said control. Honorable Minister! Our Honorable
What did you do,
Minister!
sir?
Our Minister!
Sorry, sir.
Our Minister!
I am such a stupid guy. I couldn't stop myself. Who is this person? Why should I fight for him? You are such a...
Sir?
There is nobody to look after you. If this job goes, who will take care of Vidya?
Boss, somebody has posted the footage in the YouTube. Around 3,000 likes. Our party's image is totally spoiled, boss.
I don't like any one of these.
You can't give a one-word answer like that. Point by point, I need the reason. What kind of a girl you need, tell me.
You are a small girl. I can't tell all these things to you.
Buddy, when I think of you, I really feel proud, man. You feel that if you get married, your wife will not take care of your sister. Sacrificing your whole life for that, huh?
That is not a big thing. For me, my sister is everything.
You should be really lucky to get a brother like him.
He sacrificed his whole life for me. Love is there, I know. But he's not that great also. There is some other logic to this. Karthik?
My darling sister. Who is this uncle?
Sorry, brother. I brought him without asking you. He's a marriage broker. Who else will do it for you other than me? The only friend you have is also a useless fellow. Please, Karthik, at least for me, take some interest, no?
There are around 20 photos in this. Whichever you like, you tell me. Please select soon.
This one is good. This is also good. This is good.
Really?
Hey, buddy. Not this girl. She's not good.
Hey, keep quiet, man. You don't know who will like us.
Most importantly, she should have a good heart.
Correct.
I have not seen an ugly girl like this in my life.
Hey, don't talk like that. I'm not looking for just a wife. I want a good mom for my sister. All of this is fine for me.
Thank you, sir. A girl should be lucky to marry a person like you, sir. You're such a nice person, sir. Sir, within 1 week your marriage will get over. Take it granted. I am responsible for that.
I have seen this teddy bear somewhere.
Sir, I spoke to the girls' house also. They are asking when can we fix a date, sir. Out of these slots, you have to just select one photo, sir. Then everything will be okay, sir.
Let us wait for something better.
Sir, you had selected these photos, sir.
It's about my marriage. You have to look for a better choice.
This should be your job, I'm sure about that. Hey, not in this birth. Next birth also you will not get married. I wasted my time in this. My commission too. Okay, I will catch you later, sir.
From that day itself, without even looking, he rejected 100 girls.
So what are you trying to say now?
He'll say okay to every average looking person. But if someone good looking comes, he'll just reject them. There's something wrong with him.
Nothing has happened. Eat fast and go do your homework. See what she's saying. What are you doing? You came for this only, no?
No, brother. Something wrong's happened. Karthik won't do anything without your knowledge. Please tell me, is he in love with someone?
He cannot fall in love with anyone. I have not seen him talking to any girl so far. The problem is somewhere else.
Promise?
I swear on my mother.
Blow into this.
I'm a doctor.
Blow. You are drinking and driving. Take out your license. We need to put charge sheet.
I just had a beer. See, I'm coming from a high-profile dinner party.
What do you mean by just had a beer? Beer is not milk.
We both are doctors.
Both of you are doctors? You can be whomsoever, but I don't get scared by doctors.
Hey, Naveen.
Okay. You don't know with whom you're talking now. This car is now going to the commissioner's house. He's my family friend. I'm meeting him now to give my wedding invitation. If you have any doubt, you can call him now and clarify. He knows Dr. Naveen very well.
Oh, you're the commissioner's relative. Okay then.
What do you mean by okay? Just because you are going to commissioner's house, you can drink and drive. Hey, note the number.
Hey, what are you going to do?
Hey, Naveen, don't argue.
I'm behaving very decent with you. What's your problem now? Will you please shut up? Just stay in the car. What a...
Let's leave,
Let's
Naveen.
go and collect from
Shit.
somewhere else.
Talking
Yeah, you
rules
can
and
go, you can
regulations. It's trying to advise me.
Before thinking about the country, first stop drinking and driving.
He's the commissioner's guest. I thought of sending him off. Why did you quarrel with him, buddy?
Problem is not with him. It's with her.
Girl. What are you saying, buddy?
That day Vidya asked me why I was rejecting everyone. It is because of that girl.
I won't believe you. Without my knowing, you won't do anything, right? What, buddy? The story goes this way or what? That's what I was thinking. Why were you accepting bribes unusually? Okay, I get it now. I was actually happy.
Shit. I should not have left that essay.
Not everyone is as emotional as him. There are a few good ones also.
What are you initially getting emotional?
Hey, you know whom you're talking to now? Shut up. Hey, get lost. Hey, what? What will you do?
Okay.
Hey.
What is the problem now?
I have always wanted to see you.
I want to see that girl.
Which girl? He told you everything. Before starting itself, everything ended. Let's just move on.
You are a rock. If you had to fall in love with someone, I definitely have to see her. I'll try matching the next alliance with her, no?
Yes, I saw that girl and I fell in love with her. But just because of that, I won't grow a beard like lost lover. That chapter is closed.
At least you can show her the photographs, right?
Photo?
Oh, that I tore off.
Open the door, man!
Oh my god. My dear friend, where are you? Hey, are you there? Tell me.
Hey, she's very beautiful. What a good choice.
Yeah, that's a good choice.